Meirion a Meirion fi. Meirion a Meirion fi. Meirion yn dychwelyd I Harlech, claiming his birthright. Meirion returns to his home and his heart. Meirion yn dychwelyd I ei dir, a'i dad, tir ei dad Cuneddau. Meirion yn dychwelyd I dir ei dad Cuneddau, cyn cof. Ond mae'r seithfed don yn barod I gipio Meirion. But the seventh wave is ready to plunge and to thrust its wave all the way to where we are standing right this minute. The seventh wave, what will it bring? Y seithfed don. Meirion a Meirion. Y Morfeirch, the giant seahorses. They are hungry, they are so hungry. Maen nhw'n edrych mor ddiniwed yn tydyn. They look so innocent, so beautiful. Ond, angen y torc. They need the talk more than anything else, but they take Meirion away down into the depths of the sea. Mae Meirion yn diflannu. Light a shrine for Meirion. He will return. You have to believe me. Meirion, thou know at all.